Hello, this is Charlene Riley, and today is Thursday, August 24th, 2017 at 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Um, I'm ready to do some trading and record my trading session. The first thing I want to do is look at my FX book and check out the economic calendar. We see that the Sydney market is currently open right now and that Tokyo opens in 15 minutes. Right now, the only high impact report coming up is the U.S. Jackson Hole Symposium report. That's a high impact, but it doesn't have any numbers to go with it. And looking at what happened throughout the day, there were several low and medium impact Japan reports, and there's a low impact Japan report coming out. So nothing really going on in the last hour or so. So now I want to check out. First thing I want to check out is the next thing I want to check out is how much I can trade with today. So my current account balance is $996.56. I created this little spreadsheet so that I could quickly determine my daily risk threshold and the maximum number of pips per day and per trade. My daily risk threshold is 2%. So with my current account balance, that's a total of $19.93 that I could $19.93 that I could risk today. And that's a maximum number of pips of 199 pips on a 10-cent lot size or 100 pips on a 20-cent lot size. My maximum risk per trade is 1/2 of 1%, so that will be $4.98, and that translates to 50 cents per pip. Well, 50 pips per trade on a 10-cent lot size, or 25 cents per pip on a 20-cent lot size. So now that I know what I can trade with, I am ready to go to the markets. And again, the Sydney market is open right now, and the Tokyo will be opening in about 15 minutes. So the pairs that I use during this time period, during these markets, are the Australian dollar JPY, the Australian New Zealand, and the British pound JPY. And I am also trying out the Euro JPY to determine whether or not I'm going to use that in my trading plan. So now in the British pound JPY, my fib lines are still good. And I see for the daily, overall, the market had been in a downtrend, but it looks like it wants to try to reverse into an uptrend. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I can see the overall major trend as a downtrend. And looking at the 1-hour chart, a lot of choppiness, up and down and up, and now consolidation. So, and looking at the 15-minute chart, which is where I execute my trades, I see consolidation. So now looking at the British pound JPY, it looks like we're having a reversal to an uptrend. So for my trade setup, I'm going to be looking for a break above the 140.430 resistance line, and the stochastic, well, actually that's the 140.407. The stochastic was above 50, and it looks like it's approaching that again. So if I have that trade set up, I would enter into a buy or break below the 140.333 to enter into a sell. So for the British pound JPY, we have the break above the 140.430, and the stochastic is above 50. So because of that, I am going to enter into a buy. Okay, so we are on the British pound JPY 15-minute chart, and we have had the break above the 140.430, and the stochastic is above 50. It's at 64 and rising. So because of that, and that's my trade set up to enter into a buy. So I enter into a buy, and I'm going to set my take profit at 10 pips above and set my stop loss at 10 pips below. And my take profit is right at the next line of resistance, and my stop loss is just above the next line of support. So let me put my arrow in to show where I got into the trade. And update my labels. We had a breakthrough resistance at 140.430. And the stochastic above 65, indicating continued uptrend, indicating the uptrend. And so because of that, we entered into a buy at 140.469, set our take profit at 140.569, and the stop loss at 140.369. Okay, so now let's print screen and put that one in my trade journal as well. Okay.